Okay, so this lesson we're working on sequences, and hopefully we should be able to generate terms and patterns for sequences by the end of the lesson. The key words for this lesson are term, term-to-term rule, sequence and generate, which hopefully we will be covering throughout this PowerPoint slide. Okay, the first part of this lesson is finding the next couple of terms of each sequence. So I'll have a sequence, starts at 3, and as you can see it goes up in 3s each time. So from 3 to 6 we are adding 3, from 6 to 9 we are again adding 3, and if you realise we're adding 3 each time. So to find the next two terms of this sequence, all we need to do is follow the pattern and add 3. So 18 adds 3, which gives me 21, and then again I will need to add 3, which will give me 24. So the next two numbers in this sequence are 21 and 24. Now if we look at question 2, it's exactly the same thing except it involves negative numbers. So we need to look at it and say, from minus 12, what do I do to get to minus 9? Now most of you will think that we are subtracting 3, but if you look at a number line carefully, hopefully you'll realise you're not actually subtracting 3, but you are adding 3. So to get from minus 12 to minus 9, we are adding 3, minus 9 to minus 6, we are adding 3, and likewise minus 6 to minus 3, again we are plusing 3. So to continue with this sequence, we do exactly the same thing. Minus 3 add 3, which is 0. Remember, if you get confused or stuck, or if you've got minus 6 as your answer, you need to look at a number line. So again, 0 adds 3, which gives you positive 3. So the next two numbers in this sequence are 0 and add 3, or 0 and plus. Right, for this part of the lesson we're looking at patterns. So we've got a pattern and we need to draw the next two patterns. The question is asking us what the next two patterns look like. Now this is a familiar question in exams, and it normally appears in the first half of a foundation paper. So to find the next two patterns of this, what I need to first do is draw the same previous pattern. So what I will do is I will just copy this pattern out again. So I've got 4 boxes on the base, and I have 4 boxes for the height, but one's already been done for me here. So 2, 3 and 4. Now this, what I've just drawn here, is exactly the same as the previous one, as this one. I need to obviously add on another 2 squares. The first square will be added on at the base, because if you look at the previous ones, as you can see, first we've got 2, then we've got 3, then we had 4, so now in the base I need 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in the height, if you look at this one, I had 2, 3 and 4, so therefore for this one I will need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that's how the next pattern would look. And then likewise for the next part you need 6 at the bottom, and you will need 6 at the top. After you've done it, to make sure you can count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know I've done it correctly. I'm now going to talk you through another example. This time it is using matchsticks, and again it is asking us to draw the next two patterns. So again, like the previous slide, I will draw the same as the previous one. So that's how the previous pattern looked. Now as you can see, with this one, with the first pattern, we had 3 matchsticks in the shape of a triangle. In the second pattern, we had the same triangle, but then 2 matchsticks were added on. those two were added on to form another triangle. In the third pattern, again another 2 were added on to form another triangle. So the first pattern had 1 triangle, the second one had 2 triangles, 1 and 2, the third one had 3 triangles, 1, 2 and 3. So the fourth one therefore needs to have 4 triangles. So I will need to add on another 2 matchsticks. Now if you look at this carefully, you've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangles. The next pattern, again I will draw the same as the previous one, which this time is the one that I've just done. So let's draw that out again. And this time, because this is the 5th pattern, I will need to have 5 triangles. At the moment I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will need to add another 2 sticks to make 5 triangles. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to have a go at these questions and upload your answers on class charts.